kids, when I first moved to New York, it was dingy, disgusting, dirty, ugly, flea-ridden, and all terrifying. But then, sadly, the whole city started to go, this weekend, by one, crappy old places we loved began to disappear. The Elbow Room, an old punk rock club, became a drugstore. Became a fast food place. And Fez, this awesome lounge at 85th and Broadway, became a bank. And not just any bank.
Goliath National Bank, the world leader.
Kids, in the fall of 2008, I had a little problem.
All right, I gotta get to Stella's.
Aww. Tonight's the night, guys. I've tried it before. I failed every time. This time, I am gonna do it. Tonight, I pick up a lesbian. Robin, I need your lipstick.